We're going to make a bicycle. Each team is going to be a bicycle. Everyone can get involved. Each team will have their own toolkit. Once your bicycle is made and Guy can ride the bicycle.
At this moment, I don't mind if I fall off the bicycle, that's kind of okay. But after that, maybe next week, someone with more skill than us, Evan, is going to put them together properly, and all of those bikes are actually going to get donated to a primary school for children that need bicycles. So that's really cool.